Equipment auction in Montrose, Colorado, February 4th, 2024. Look at that activity bus. That's pretty cool. We get a couple of these vehicles, the old trucks. Everyone's gonna walk past me. International feed truck. This is like a 1972 CON military vehicle. That is really cool. 3 rear axle. Water truck. Ranchers use all sorts of this stuff up here. You're gonna have an old International Lodestar coming up. This is a 85. Got a Cummins in it. These old Lodestars are effing adorable. They go off tomorrow, and I don't think I'm not gonna come up here. I actually talked to these guys about this '08 Impala, and you got to wait 3 weeks on the title, so I'm not gonna play that game on a Chevy. But see, I've had Grand Ams. I actually like these. They went through 97. I like these, like 80 to 97 Fords, even though I'm a Chevy guy, because I actually like the I'm gonna look at the engine on it. I like that crotch cooler. Like, this would be a cool little shop truck, just because it's kind of patina. See, it's got the inline, like a 299 or 300 inline. This is a 86 302, fuel injected. It's got a manual, 4-wheel drive, short bed. That's what's cute about it. And they got this old funky C65 grain truck and a Dodge 1500. Check out this old Ford, big chunky Napco Super Duty F850. Wow. Look at that thing. Let's check this out. There's a boat. Cute little trailer. We're in ranch land. This is like a 56. I think it's supposed to be a 55 Olds 88. See, I mean, I've seen cars like this go for 200, and I've seen them go for 3,500. And then you got a 50 Chevy. Yeah, so we're gonna get a hot dog, and I may come back up. It's at 9 tomorrow, or I may clean my vehicles. I don't know. We'll see.